Hello everyone, welcome to Unique Moments. Let's see the unique moments you can't refuse to watch.
Come on. Avery.
God. Avery.
A boy is playing with his horse and see how he pranks it.
How many months?
Pregnant? 20 years?
Oh!
This person recorded a time-lapse video continuously for 7 years and this is how it looks like.
Wait, Mom, film it.
This can be the worst delivery driver of the all time, right?
Wow.
This guy's PS5 completely caught into the house fire, but somehow it still worked.
And one of them ended up in our freaking oven. And so I turned it on 450 degrees for 45 minutes, and now our whole house stinks like rat. Burnt rat. I'm hoping dead burnt rat. It's dead.
Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our other videos.